Welcome to GitHub Trending Repos for today. We have a lot to cover today, so let's get started. Number 5, spdlog, 10 new stars today. Most C++ projects end up with a hand-rolled logging solution that is slow, thread unsafe, or painful to configure. spdlog replaces that with a single header or compiled library that just works. It solves the real problem of getting structured, performant diagnostics out of native code without dragging in heavy dependencies, supporting everything from rotating files to syslog and async syncs out of the box. Its tight integration with the ftn library gives you Python-style formatting at compile time, and the backtrace feature lets you capture debug history in a ring buffer and dump it only when an error actually occurs. A genuinely useful pattern for production debugging. Number 4, webpack. 10 new stars today. Webpack solves the fundamental problem of serving unoptimized, scattered JavaScript and assets to browsers by compiling your entire front-end dependency graph into production-ready bundles. Its loader and plugin architecture lets you treat anything, TypeScript, CSS, images, templating languages, as a module that participates in that graph, enabling techniques like code splitting and tree shaking that directly reduce initial load times. You should explore it because it remains the build time engine underneath most major front-end frameworks and toolchains, and understanding its internals gives you direct control over how your application is assembled and delivered. Number 3, Cypress. 11 new stars today. Modern web applications demand testing that keeps pace with how they are built, yet traditional tools add instability and slow feedback loops. Cypress runs directly inside the browser's event loop, automatically waiting for elements and stopping flake at its source, while giving you time travel debugging that shows exactly what happened at each step. Its architecture lets you intercept and stub network requests at the application layer without modifying your code, making it a uniquely powerful tool for deterministic end-to-end tests that feel as fast as unit tests. Number 2, superpowers. 653 new stars today. Superpowers solves the problem of coding agents that jump straight to code without understanding requirements, leading to messy, untested implementations. It enforces a structured methodology, spec-first design, true TDD, and sub-agent-driven development that turns any supported agent into an autonomous developer capable of working for hours without deviating from the plan. Because it's a free open-source plugin that works across Claude Code, Cursor, and other popular harnesses, you can give your agent a disciplined engineering process without changing tools. Number 1, ADR, 148 new stars today. As enterprises deploy AI coding and support agents, they face novel security risks like prompt injection and tool misuse that traditional monitoring can't catch. ADR provides an open-source, production-tested observability and detection system with a dual-agent architecture that combines high recall triage and deep reasoning, plus a benchmark covering all 17 known agent attack techniques. The repo includes the sensor, benchmark, and detector components used at Uber, so you can evaluate and harden your own agent deployments against realistic threats.